want the wire to drop as soon as it finishes cutting the back side of the cookie, and that way it helps the wire follow the cookie to the ground to drop nice. Our adjustment on that is over on this side here. So this smaller Allen wrench, there's a little Allen screw underneath here that we can adjust, and we can change that. We'll loosen it, and this little plate slides back and forth, so we can move that back if it's a smaller cookie, or all the way forward for the largest cookie. So when you're finished adjusting that, or where you want it to be, it may take a couple of tries, you can put that back underneath and give it a quick tighten up. Okay, finished with that. Now we're going to take the machine apart to clean. So we don't have any more dough in the hopper. So we're going to take the machine apart. Take the S-bar on the top. We'll flip that up out of the way. Take the gear guard off, set that aside, take our hopper, flip it upside down, take our feed rollers out. We have our handy dandy cleaning scraper. So straight up and down. If you do this, you're not going to clean very much there, so you want it straight up and down every time. Makes it easier for cleaning. Keeps your sink clean. Put it on top. Protects your feed rollers. If you have a dishwasher, you can go into the dishwasher with the entire machine. No harsh chemicals. Make sure it's safe for aluminum. This entire portion can go inside the sink. We're going to drop our die out. We're going to put it in our hip pocket. I like to do the outside ones first. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That'll drop out again. Take our table clamp off. Set that aside. We can recover our dough. We want to scoop that, keep it for later. This can go in the sink. I'll leave the pan underneath to catch some of the crumbs that we're able to pull out. So we have a surface for everything on this truck scraper. Everything is apart. We have our table clamp off. Now this entire portion can go into the sink for cleaning.